Which is the heavier metal of the two, gold or silver? Gold. Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Tooth decay. Which is the hottest place in the earth? Ethiopia. Which is the nearest star to planet Earth? Sun. Which is the oldest democracy parliamentary in the world? Britain. What differentiates a male lion from a female lion? Mane. What are the two holes in the nose called? Nostrils. What is the standard taste of the water? Water has no taste. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Skin. The world's largest desert is? Sahara. Country that has the highest in barley production? Russia. The metal whose salts are sensitive to light is? Silver. The Central Rice Research Station is situated in? Cuttack. Mount Everest is located in? Nepal. Which soil is suitable for agriculture? Peaty soil. Black soils are best suited for the cultivation of? Cotton. Which is considered as the biggest port of India? Mumbai. Country that was called as land of rising sun? Japan. The state which has desert in India is? Rajasthan. Name the Governor General who abolished Sati in 1829. Lord William Bentinck. The Hindustan shipyard is located at? Visakhapatnam. Punjab is famous for? Woolen textile. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. What is the national animal of India? Bengal tiger. What is the national monument of India? India Gate. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Dolphin. When the national flag of India was adopted by the Constitution Assembly? July 22, 1947. What is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Who designed Indian national flag? Pingali Venkaiah. The national emblem of India was adopted on? January 26, 1950. Indian national song was composed in Sanskrit by? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The motto on national emblem is? Satyamev Jayate. In the Indian national flag, saffron represents? Courage. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. What is the national calendar of India? The Saka era. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? Nose and ears. Where are located Ajanta and Ellora caves? Maharashtra. Where is located Jantar Mantar in India? Delhi. Where is located Sher Shah Suri's tomb in India? Bihar. Golden Revolution is concerned with? Fruits. White Revolution is concerned with? Milk and milk products. Who invented chloroform? James Simpson. Who is known as the father of India? Mahatma Gandhi. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which leader was known as Netaji? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who wrote Glimpses of World History and Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the main architect of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the last British Governor General to rule India? Lord Mountbatten. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. From whom did India get independence? From the British.